guys, welcome to Unison's weekly technical analysis. So first of all, as usual, let's look at the dollar index. So after the weekly candlestick chart appeared to doji patterns in the first 2 weeks, it rose last week but could not break through the high point of the previous week's doji. So from observing the 1 hour candlestick chart, the dollar index may be about to complete a continuous downward pattern and end this sideways market in the past few weeks. Then the market will continue the US dollar bear market, the bearish market. And it is estimated that the US dollar currency pair will fluctuate significantly after next week. Alright, next let's look at the AUD USD, the Australian dollar against the US dollar. So for the AUD USD since mid of April, the market has been in a sideways state between 100 pips and it has been unable to break through as well. So we should wait for the price to continue to approach downwards after a wave of upward rebound and wait for the pullback to the low level before entering the market. So we can also enter the market with the decline of the US dollar index, which is going long. The most ideal price to enter is around 0.767 and we go long in the market. Alright, next let's look at the USD against the safe haven yen. So for the USD JPY, when the market opens next week, we can directly enter the market and go short. So and our stop loss point can be placed about 35 pips. So for friends who don't want to enter the market in a hurry state, okay, you are not in a rush, you can wait for the price to pull back to 109.85 before entering the market by going short. So the first arbitrage point can be placed at 107.7 and the remaining orders can continue to hold your positions. So if you want to find a lower risk transaction, so you can wait for the price to have a wave of impulse to break through the trend line below this one, and then a small continuous downward pattern appears in a 15-minute candlestick chart before entering the market by going short, and then the stop loss point can be placed a bit lower, which is about 25 pips. Okay, so lastly, let's look at the gold XAU USD. So there was a wave of decline last week, which also means that the price has slowly approached our ideal entry price. It is about 1860, so we can directly enter the market. So our stop loss point must have around 100 pip. Then to find a more accurate entry point, so we can observe a similar small reversal pattern in the 15 minutes or 5 minutes candlestick chart before entering the market. Alright, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.